Hello everybody, welcome to the Henstitute. On this friction problem, we are going to be looking at a box put along a level floor, constant speed, trying to figure out the force. But if I think about it, an object on a nice level surface like this, if I draw that free body diagram, there are going to be four forces acting on it. We know the force of gravity is going to pull this thing down. And since we know the mass, we could actually calculate that because we could take mass times gravity. We also will have a normal force that would be acting upward. And that normal force should equal our force of gravity since it's sitting on a nice level floor. And next we have some kind of pull. We're trying to figure out the horizontal force needed to move the box. It doesn't actually say which way, so I'm just going to make it acting to the right. So this would be our horizontal force. I'm going to call it Fx, just for simplicity's sake, since x is a great way to represent horizontal. We know when that happens that there's going to be a friction force that's going to pop in. That friction force is going to act parallel to the surface and act in the opposite direction. Since I am moving it at constant speed, that means this would be kinetic friction. Specifically, this and this force would also equal each other. And the reason why I know that because it's moving at constant speed. So if I'm actually trying to find my horizontal force here, Fx, I'm really just asking what is my kinetic friction force. And I can find kinetic friction force with the fun equation. I can take my coefficient of kinetic friction, which they give us as 0.4444, and multiply it by the normal force, which we already know from earlier. The normal force is equal to the weight. So really I could use, if I would like, the gum equation. And that should find my horizontal force. Hope that helps.